Hey guys, welcome back to Little Boy Customs. Today we're going to be working on cutting out the rotted areas at the front half of the cab and replacing those. If you watched the last video, then you know that the lower half of this cab that I have here is rotted out, and I wanted to replace these areas right here with some new steel in order to get rid of this rust and rot out, and mainly the Swiss cheese, and make it more stable. So let's get started. Cut that out with the air tool, and then we cut the rot out of here, and we got this welded in. And yes, I know I'm not a great welder. You don't have to go down there and just start typing like crazy on the comments about that, because remember, we have a motto on this channel, and it is grind work make what a welder ain't. And so ground that all down. Looks pretty good now. Doesn't look so bad. Got all the rot out, got the patch panel in. Next episode, we'll move on to working on the dash. Alright guys, speaking of the dash as well, here's my thought process. You have these holes here. That was the ashtray right there. Radio, air controls. I'm wanting to block all of those off, make the dash a complete solid dash. Also block in all the little holes at the bottom down here, and then so the dash would be a complete dash, solid all the way across, and then make some sort of a middle console that would come out of the bottom here with flip doors on it, and then hide all of the Grand Marquis controls underneath that. So in other words, you would flip open a door in the middle console to turn the AC on, to access the radio, that kind of stuff. So it looks more hidden. Hopefully I can get the middle console also postered the same as the seats and that kind of stuff. And so that's kind of my ideal for the dash. What do you think? Let me know down in the comments below if you think this is a good idea or not. Some of y'all may have heard that we got snow here in Texas on Sunday, and so Monday morning when I woke up, I decided I was going to do some spin class and went out into my pasture, and here is video of that. Although I will have to say it didn't work out as a spin class like you would think so, because even though it snowed a lot here on Sunday, by Monday morning it was pretty well melted, and it was more like going mudding in a Grand Marquis. just seen, we are now at 400 subscribers. I think at the time of the posting of this video, we'll be like at 408. But at the beginning of this week, we hit 400 subscribers, and I just want to say thank you to each and every one of y'all. It means a great deal to me. We haven't been on YouTube for a full year yet, and yet we've already hit 400 subscribers. To me, that's a great accomplishment, and so I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much. And with that, guys, we're done with this episode. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. 82% of you people are not subscribed to my channel. What's going on? So, think about hitting the subscribe button. It is free. And with that, we're out. Until next time, be safe.